and welcome to HUGO'S How to Make the Perfect Espresso Martini. First of all, you will need to collect all of your ingredients. You will need vodka, Kahlua, which is a coffee liqueur, caramel monin, and a shot of espresso coffee. You will also need coffee beans for your garnish. Other equipment that you will need is a cocktail shaker. We use a Boston shaker here, a cocktail strainer and a fine strainer, or you can use a tea strainer. To pour your drink into, you will need a coupe glass or a cocktail glass. To begin with, you need to take your cocktail shaker. You need to put your vodka in. It's a single shot, 25 millilitres. You then need to put your Kahlua, your coffee liqueur, again 25 millilitres. You then need to put your shot of caramel monin in. If you like it sweeter, put more in. If you don't like it as sweet, use less. You then need to fill your shaker with ice. And then you're going to pour your espresso shot over your ice and your alcohol content. You're then going to hard shake for about 20 seconds until you can hear the change in the ice. Once you have finished shaking, then going to need to get your fine strainer or your tea strainer, and you're going to need to double strain into your cocktail glass. This will give you the amazing frothy head on top of your glass. For garnish, you're going to put 3 coffee beans onto the top. And your espresso martini is ready to drink. Enjoy!